Hey, what up, people? It's your boy, DIY Trucker J. J Quillo Talk Live. Make sure you subscribe to both channels. Alright, so what we doing today is we doing the brakes on my neighbor car. I'm gonna show you how the brakes is crazy. He asked me the other day that he wanted to take it back to the dealer, the Subaru dealer. So I said, you know what, since I already do cars, I fix cars and everything, I said, I'll do it for you. You know, you have to get the brakes. And I said, I looked at it and said, I'm gonna show you. I said, you ain't got no brakes on the car. So if you're gonna do the brake pads, get this. Because I don't do no brakes without this. Because I don't want to be liable, responsible. So if you come back and tell me that your car's scraping, it's swelling, it's squeaking real loud, no. Get some new discs. The only way I do brakes, you gotta do pads and discs. I don't do brakes without neither one. I don't care how somebody changed them months ago. That's how I roll. All right, so I'm gonna show you what it looked like, but I told him to do it. He retired guy from Staten Island, you know. I told him I'd do it, all right? So, we doing, I don't know what year, it's a Subaru Forester. I look at his registration in a minute. Subaru Forester, little SUV, whatever you want to call it. So, we're gonna do the front brakes. Don't only need brakes, he needs tires. He bugs out here. He also needs tires, so I'm gonna let y'all see what it is. So, we already got everything together. So, pretty much, you're gonna have a 14 wrench, 14 socket, or 9/16. 9/16 and a 14 millimeter is pretty much the same. One might be thinner or thicker than the other centimeter. All right, so you're gonna need your gun, impact wrenches, and you're gonna need some 14 socket, 9.5 socket, 9/16 socket, and some brake cleaner spray. I already cleaned everything off, so I already pre-did everything. He got the brakes and everything for Napa. I'll show you that real quick. So let's go ahead and get it together. As I'm doing it, y'all can watch. And I might put it on time lapse. I might not. Depends. But I'm gonna show y'all before I get together. I'm gonna show y'all before I get to doing this. Not get together because y'all not here right now. But y'all here with me, but not here in physical form. But y'all actually here. All right. So I'm gonna show you the brakes. These are new brakes here. But bam, you see right here. Now for those who want to know how you know he ain't got no brakes, see right here. There's nothing there. You can see right through it, right? He pretty much stopping on metal right up in there. So there's no brake pads there. Brake pads are going. Everything is rusty. So I'm going to try to use that little grinder wheel real quick to try to grind up some of this, get some of this surface rust off. If not, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and do the job. All right? I got some stuff in the house I need to apply. I should have got that. Or see if there's any grease in there. Brake grease. So we're going to go ahead and put this on and get this together. All right, so I want y'all to like, share, and subscribe, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and do it. But these are new ones here though. All right, so I'll show you what the pads look like before we get started here. Then we gonna just run everything on time lapse. All right, so he got new hardware here. All right, so this right here is this right here. All right, so he has that. And he got 4 sets of pads, 1 for each side. So we're gonna definitely do both sides. And he got this. I got 1 disc on the other side. So this right here, premium. He got it from Napa. I don't know how much he paid for because I ain't go with him, but I don't think I ain't anything to cut this open. We can try to peel it. But I said I ain't got nothing to cut open though. I ain't really got no nails neither. Alright, let's try the other hand real quick. There you go. So like I said, it's the part number right there for these rotors. Alright, you can see it. 48880360. Alright, we got 2. Bam, there you go. That's how they look. Brand new in the pack. I'm gonna have to spray some brake cleaner around here. Clean any excess oil, anything minerals off this right here. So, all right, so you can see it right here. We got the grease on it. Pretty much about it. Premium rotors. This. I gotta go get some goggles. Shit. caliper. Just need the brakes out. That's it, really. Pistons ain't no good neither. Pistons ain't no good. They rust like mom. Got that raw. Put that over there. Put the hand. Get it over there. That. He's rusty on. Shit. The color was off too. So we can break out. Yes, we go. Shit. See? See? Get the caliper off. What is this? 18 something. What is this? 18. Oh, 17. 17. 17. Okay, 17. Alright, so figure this out. Like that. Do what I want to do. Okay. Rusted on that bitch. Alright, shit. Get this shit over here. Do like that. Sure. Let's take this little orange. Get this ball, man. Nope, need extension. Good, need extension. Definitely need extension. Get the big gun. Shit. That's the way to do it. Shit, gotta get it flush. Damn. You need to heat them up. Yeah, I got it. Oh shit. Yeah. No, I should have done more. Something up. Yeah, a little bit of heat. Get them out. I gotta get this stud out. It's hot right now. Shit. Just a little bit of heat to get it out. All right. And just gotta flex it off through the top one. Get the calipers off. Caliper breakers off anyway, so I'll make sure I take this nut up. So screw it back on it with it. Clean them up on the deck before I put them back on. Do the top one. Get this off. Get these brakes on. Then get. It should be good enough, I think. Put it back on. I think that should be good enough. Yeah, let's get it. Oh, it's kind of hot. Oh, okay. That ain't coming off. Definitely gonna need some more heat. Need some heat to get that baby off right there. Definitely gonna need some heat. Shit. See if we can get it. See if we can get it this, I guess. Have a torsion on it. See if we got enough heat to get it. I hope so. Keep trying until we get something. If you want to budge, that's the only thing about doing this. Nobody never did it before. You're gonna leave you. They're trying to get it off. Whew, shit. Keep going with this. Extension. If this was crooked. Turn that picture. You need an extension. Gotta get it to fit. I might even have a sentence on. I might just have one. What they gonna do? Whew. There you go, we got it. Had to get an extension to get it off. We got it though. Now we can use the ratchet. Sometimes you gotta really sit back and think. Alright, so sit back. Needs to be enforcement. out so I clean everything up. Let's get that bolt on. Once I get the bolt keep any different season on it. You won't need it. All right, so it's gonna go here like so. We're gonna spray that down with some brake cleaner, and then we might come over, take it back off real quick. Cover my eyes up. Gotta make sure you got some safety grabbers on in the mask. Get all the oil and shit off. I just want to show Mike what he need as far as getting it done. He can know later. I don't know if he said he's gonna get rid of the car out of it. Alright, so I gotta get the C-clamp so we can push these brakes in. So what I'm gonna do is use these brakes, put them here with the C-clamp, close it, and put everything back together and get the other side. Alright. So wait till Mike come. I get back over here, I had to clean the bolts up. Go ahead and get everything back on. Alright. All right, let's get it. Put this back on. No matter what side you do it. This back on. Should be any more left in here? I don't know. Yep. Oh, let's see. Heavy in here. I don't think there's any more left. Nah, there's not more left in here. I think I see some coming out. I think. I might just be seeing shit. I think some coming out. I need a whole lot, just some. Let's see if I can open this. Guess that's it. There ain't nothing in there. It's done. I'm gonna have some more. Yeah. You can still go to AMC's. Shit. Get it. Got one so far. Alright, got that one. Click down on it. So hold it in place. Alright. That. I'm gonna lock it in, but allow you to get off. NC's on that. Put that in there. Try to screw everything by hand so you don't have to worry about getting stripping the bolt, skipping it, whatever. that on. Get 17. Start tightening anything up. That's pretty much about it. Oh. Alright, that's it. Go behind myself. So now we got all that on. Put that there. Pop these off. Real quick. You jump on the other side, that's it. Yeah, I'll say. I don't know what one's all bent up, but these two on the bottom, two on the top. Let's get all this together. So, bottom, top. Don't matter left, right. Right. Once you get it on there. Put these on. Squeeze them in there. Once you get them in, you're good. There's that. Get the bottom on. That's it. Now you can use whatever you want to use as far as use the pink stuff, the grease, you can use, but this stuff works pretty good too. That's pretty much it right there. Let me get those little on, get to the side. And we'll get it done. That's it. So make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy DIY Truck and J. It's your boy J. Cole Talk Live. Get at you later.